Hello guys, welcome to Homemade CGI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix the UFO and the footage we recorded. Okay, let's get started with a small intro. Okay guys, this will be the continuation of the part 1. So if you didn't see the part 1, I'll give you the link in the description box below, or just click the I button and see that first and come again to see this video. Because this is going to be very interesting. So let's get started. So first select the camera, okay, and then add a background image, okay, and movie clip, and locate your movie clip. I named it Sky. Yeah, so now what we are going to do is grab the UFO like this. Okay, now change this to 30. Okay, now what I'm going to do is at 100 or 120, I'm going to get the UFO here. Before that, go to the first frame and location rotation scale, add a keyframe, and at 120 I want this to come down a bit like this and move it. Okay, yeah, now again I location rotation scale. Okay, now at 280, what I need to do is I want to rotate this UFO. Okay, so press R, Z, and 180. Yeah, see, this is how it would be. Okay, if you press N, you will get this properties panel. Okay, now press 0. Yeah, now I location rotation scale. Yeah, now if we go to the frame where the rotation starts, press spacebar to see the rotation. See, you can see that. I don't know if you're able to see that or not, but it is rotating. Okay, so now I'll just pause it, and at the end I want this UFO to just go. Go suddenly. So GY and get this UFO here. Okay, yeah, now let's see the whole animation we created. Okay, press spacebar. Okay, this is coming down, the UFO is coming down, coming down, and at 120 it starts rotating. Okay, just see this. Okay, it starts rotating. Yeah, and here it just moves away. Okay, so I'm pretty happy for that, for the output. So go to Compositing tab, click Use Nodes, Shift A, add a render layers. Okay, of course you can have the render layer if you click that Use Nodes, but I messed it up. Okay, so now Shift A and add a composite. Composite. Yeah, now get this image and plug into this composite image node, and now add a movie clip. Okay, now what I'm going to do is get the sky. Control Shift and left click on the movie clip to get a weird node, and now Shift A and add a scale relative to render size. Okay, relative to render size. Yeah, now before that you need to go to render properties and check and open film panel and check transparent. Okay, so now Shift A and alpha overnode, just drag in an alpha overnode. Okay, and grab in here and get this to the composite. So now I want to blur it a few times. Yeah, so get this value to 0.8. Yeah, now you have to locate your footage where it needs to render and change it to MPEG video. Okay, now go ahead and click render animation. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I need a coffee. I'll just pause the recording. Okay guys, after the whole rendering completes, see this. This is how it looks like. Okay, I'm pretty happy from the output. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon and set it to all to get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. See you next time in the new video. Until then, bye.
Hello, I'm Baymax. Like, share and subscribe to the Homemade CGI channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications and set it to all.